a dead body room. I mean, I mean not dead body. Dead by alcoholic. I mean,
like
too much drunk. Yeah, drunk. Too much drunk.
4:30. There was delays.
Yeah,
a lot of traffic, so
I mean,
it took me ages to
the
get
bus
here.
would have been
Do you know the
better.
way?
I watched the map when I was on the subway, but I still need to look at the map. I mean, it's cold today, way cold today than yesterday.
It's so much colder today.
Yeah.
Do your hands not get cold holding that?
No, well, it's okay. I mean, it's just sacrificing for my YouTube.
Okay.
Maybe next Monday, on the Gwanang Mountain hiking, I might be with this camera again. Yeah.
You should do it. It'll be good.
I mean, the last time Group Empty Place was not that far. It was just half of the trail now.
That's good.
Yeah, it was closer. The closer it means that it's near the city. So yeah, dude. Yeah, you heard about the noise complaint and the police.
Yeah, the police
right,
stuff.
Right. I mean, this time it won't be because it's far from. Yeah. When we go now, there will be. Oh, we're on the. We were really dangerous. I mean, when we go now, there will be a dead body room. I mean not dead body. Dead by alcoholic. I mean.
Like
too much drunk. Yeah, drunk. Too much drunk. You fall asleep and you go to the specific room.
Okay.
Yeah, dead body room.
Okay, I'm kind of excited. I want to be able to get the first bus tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna leave at 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Then maybe I think you have to stay overnight. Yeah.
Just 12 hours.
Yeah, right. Oh, right.
Yeah.
Why isn't there a road?
So we get Uber.
Was there a crossroad there?
Over there, it was quite far.
I mean, I think we should go back. Sorry.
The traffic lights are over there.
I see. Yeah, I thought about just walking along the river, but I think there is no human road available.
That's fine. There's a river?
Yeah, I mean, I think this river goes into the Han River.
Oh,
I mean,
I see.
Yeah, the river name is North Han River.
Yeah.
Since it's north.
Yeah. Might put my hoodie on really quick.
Oh yeah.
It's really cold.
I'll take it.
Thanks.
Oh,
Yeah.
it would be really cool.
So good.
I'm glad you took your another clothes.
Yeah. Thank you. So it's MT is like a Korean thing.
Well, I don't know what is the foreign thing, but yeah, in Korea, every university and some kind of organization, if you get into it, you go MT normally.
Oh, I see. Because I see so many here, like buildings that says MT.
Oh yeah, right. This is only for MT. It's only famous for MT.
Oh, this area.
Yeah, this area. Daesungri. This. Yeah. I mean, yeah. This says the MT town. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is the MT is the main profit they get. So yeah.
We're not far now, I don't think.
Still quarter.
Oh, hey.
Oh, we are more than a half.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
That's close. 11 is free time. To drink.
Time. Yeah, right. Drinking time. I mean, is it? I'm wondering, is that pension Oh, there's a car behind. Is it pension vocabulary is correct? Place to you can sleep night
Oh,
Is that a meaning of pension?
pension is the money the old people get from the government.
Right, yeah.
But I don't know, what does it mean here? Like
It's like
venue?
no, I mean antique hotel. I mean really,
Oh.
like when we are going to the pension now. Where
I
yeah.
see. Oh, like penitentiary maybe? Maybe.
Oh,
That's
okay.
like a prison actually.
Not prison. we we are able to drink
After
after
the games.
after 11 p.m.
I see.
I mean, if you allow it, I think a lot of people would be drunk and
That's true.
it's uncontrollable.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, right.
Because then if you drink later, you stay up later as well.
right.
Because then, yeah.
Oh, yeah, right. If
Yeah.
you drink
drink now,
from
you'll be asleep
11,
by
yeah,
midnight.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, because then if I start drinking at 11,
Yeah.
I can stay up until 5 and then go home.
Yeah, right. That's a good plan.
Yeah. It's like being in a horror movie.
Oh, right. If you walk here alone,
That's
it would
true.
be really scary.
I know. Lena's walking by herself.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, but Lena is strong, so I
Yeah,
think
she's fine.
yeah, she's fine.
Yeah.
I think we are really almost.
Yeah. Did you manage to get any good shots on your camera?
Oh, I don't know. I think I just took some dark backgrounds.
Yeah.
But, I don't know.
Okay.
I can just cut and slice. Oh, I think this and this one is our pension. Yeah, we arrived.
Okay.
Okay.